Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you've been in the world of website building for any length of time, you've definitely come across WordPress. And if you've used WordPress, you've almost certainly heard of Elementor. For millions of users, Elementor is the go to tool for designing pages on their WordPress sites. But a different approach to building offered by platforms like Framer challenges this entire workflow. And today we're going to do an in depth comparison of Elementor and Framer. This is a look at the difference between adding a design tool to an existing system versus using a single integrated platform from the start. But before we dive in, I've got something special. When you sign up with my link below, you'll not only get started with Framer, you'll also unlock my free full course that takes you from your first project to your first client. And I'm including all of my Notion templates, the ones that I use to manage projects, track clients, and keep everything organized. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. The link is down below in the description, so let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what Elementor is. Elementor is not a standalone website builder. It is a plugin for WordPress. Its purpose is to replace the standard WordPress editor with a much more powerful visual drag and drop interface. It gives you the ability to design your pages with a level of control that WordPress doesn't offer on its own, making it a favorite for agencies and freelancers who build on the platform. The strength of Elementor lies in its deep integration with the WordPress ecosystem. There are thousands of add-ons and templates available for it, and it can connect with nearly any other WordPress plugin that you might need for functions like e-commerce or forms. If you're already committed to using WordPress, Elementor is a solid way to get more design control. However, you're still operating within the WordPress framework. This means you're responsible for managing your own hosting, security, performance optimization, and dealing with the potential for plugin conflicts. You are essentially adding a design layer on top of a separate complex system that you must maintain. Now let's talk about Framer. Framer is an all-in-one platform. This means the design tool, the content management system, and the hosting are all part of a single cohesive product. You don't install Framer on top of anything else. It is the entire system by itself. The platform is built from the ground up to be a professional design tool that publishes high-performance websites. The experience of building in Framer is all about fluidity and control in a clean environment. Because everything is integrated, you don't have to worry about plugin conflicts, security updates, or finding a separate hosting provider. The entire workflow, from the first design idea to the final published site, happens in one place. This streamlined process allows for a focus on creativity and results in websites that are typically very fast and reliable, as the entire system is optimized by one team. It's built for creating custom animations and interactions that are difficult to achieve elsewhere without code. So, how do you choose? The decision is less about the design features and more about the workflow you prefer. If your project absolutely requires the WordPress ecosystem, perhaps for a very specific plugin or existing infrastructure, then Elementor is a powerful tool to enhance it. But if you are starting a new project and want to avoid the complexities of managing a WordPress site, Framer offers a more modern, integrated, and hassle-free alternative. It replaces the entire WordPress stack with a single platform focused on purely design and performance. If Framer's design-first approach sounds like the right fit for you, we want to help you get started by offering you our completely free course. Don't forget to grab it. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this helps you understand the key differences between Elementor and Framer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.